keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and today we are going to be organizing and decluttering under my kitchen sink. I have lived in this house for over a year and a half now, and I have never organized under my kitchen sink. So this is gonna be a really fun and satisfying project. I also found some new products to organize with from Walmart. They're pretty affordable compared to some other options that I have found. So first, let me show you the space that we are working with, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Here are the sets that I got. I got 3 different ones, and I know I'm not gonna need all of these at all, but I got them because I didn't know what I would need and I didn't wanna have to go back and forth to the store. If I don't end up using some of these, I can return them, or I have other areas in my house, like my laundry room, that I need to organize as well, so I might just use them there. So this is the 5-piece laundry set, and this is what this one comes with. I like that this one has a turntable. This one is the pantry edit. It has a riser. And then this one, I think this one might be the one that I end up using. Actually, it's upside down, but this is the narrow bin set. There's 2 of them and they're stackable, so we'll see. And then I also kind of want to use my Cricut and put labels on these. It's gonna be so cute.
What I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars.
I have these 2 contact paper, like liner, I don't know what they're called. Contact paper, I think is what it's called. These 2 different ones that I think I'm gonna attempt to line the bottom of this cabinet. The bottom of this cabinet is hideous. It's plywood, it's got stains on it, and it's just ugly. But this is the weirdest shaped cabinet, and because it's under the sink, there's like all these pipes and things. So it's probably not gonna be the most perfect job ever, but it's gonna be better than what it is. So I think what oh gosh, I don't know. I love this marble one. It's just really simple and like contemporary, but this one just feels like kitchen-y vibes. It's gray and white. I don't know. I'm almost drawn to this one. Okay, so here's a look at the cabinet without anything in it. See how big it is? But then the entrance is kind of small, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna organize this.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
All right, here's the first strip that I did, and obviously it was just pretty straight other than this edge right here, but it went a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. So this is gonna be the part that's interesting. I'm liking it so far. It doesn't stick super good to the plywood, but I still think it's gonna be better than what it was. All right, it wasn't easy, but I did it. Just don't look too closely because it is pretty patched together right around here. Also, it slightly bothers me that the pattern is sideways, but whatever. It looks so much better than it did before, so pretty happy with it. It is starting to peel up in the back a little bit, but it's just because it's stuck to the plywood.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the...
Whenever I am organizing anything, I always take everything out and organize it into 3 different piles. I have a throwaway, a keep, and a donate pile. So here is my keep pile. This is all gonna go back under the sink. I still need to kind of decide what I'm doing with these, but they're not gonna go back under the sink. They're gonna go somewhere else. And all of this right here is trash, except for these 2 things. Just the dish rags are gonna go back under the sink.
Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong.